Everyone, how are you doing? All hope you're doing great. So today in this video I am going to share with you that if you are thinking that I am doing of my English practice since very long time, but still I am not getting my fluency, so what are the mistakes I am doing? Okay, if you are not able to rectify your mistakes, so watch this video till the end, so you will get the information how you can rectify your mistakes and with how you can switch it to another thing. Okay, so firstly I would like to say to you that if you watched any video that one person was saying to you that watch English content as much as you can so you can get your fluency, and you are listening English content since very long time but still you are not getting your fluency, so for this type of practice you can't get your fluency. Okay, because you are doing only listening part. Okay, but you are not doing your speaking practice. It means practically you are not doing. You try to immerse yourself like practically. Okay, for example, if you are watching like cooking, any cooking channel, and there the chef they are saying that how to cook gajar ka halwa. Okay, and they are saying to you that take carrot, grate it, and after that take walk and add carrot, and then all the recipe they are saying to you, but you only watch that video, right? But you didn't cook that recipe by yourselves, so how you can learn that how to make perfect gajar ka halwa? You never learn, right? So same as it is you have to do in English. Yes, if you are doing theory part, okay, only theory part. If you are doing listening, if you are doing writing part, if you are learning grammar part, if you are like watching so many English content, okay, so this is the theory part, but you have to do practically. Okay, only not in your mind, you have to speak aloud. If you are saying wrong thing, it's okay, don't worry, it happens with everyone, even it happens with me also. Whenever I try to speak like new word and I'm not familiar with that word, or I didn't know the meaning of that word, so it happens I'm not able to speak. Yes, so it happens with everyone, don't worry about it. So try to do like practically. Number second, if you are doing your listening part, if you are learning your grammar part, and if you are doing uh, like practice also, but still you are not getting your fluency, so what you can do? Why it happening with you? So some persons they are doing his or her practice for 2 months, for 3 months, and then they quit it. So don't quit it, do it for continuously. It is a language, it takes time. Okay, like so many persons they are learning this language like for long period of time, for more than 1 year, 2 year, or 3 years. Okay, still they are learning. So how you can thinking in your mind that I can get my fluency within 2 months or 3 months or more than 6 months? Nothing, you can't get this kind of fluency. Okay, so don't quit it, do it for continuously. Okay, then you can get your fluency. Last thing I want to share with you that if you are like a beginner, so you can do practice by yourself as much as you can. Don't try to uh, demotivate yourself. If I did mistakes, what people will think about me. Don't say this question by yourself. Okay, so hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, so like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you for the watching. Namaste to all of you.